Hi everyone, it's Pamela here, coming to you today from my home in Richmond, Virginia. I wanted to talk to you about my new home-based business with HealthyNuLiving. It is a multi-level marketing company. They have just started their soft launch in January of this year, and I joined in February. And I want to tell you a little bit about them. They're a health and wellness company, and I'm currently taking one of their weight loss products called OxyBurn. Started that a few weeks ago, and I have started to lose weight. I do have more energy. My appetite is suppressed with it. It's a really good product, and it's also very, very affordable. I paid $20 for a 2-month supply with my 20% discount. You sign up free and you get a 20% discount. And if you want to have your own home-based business, you just have to pay a $30 fee. It's your business builder fee that you pay to participate in promoting HealthyNuLiving and recruiting members to build your 2x10 matrix. And we work as a team and to help everyone build their downlines. So you're not working alone. This company is really, really good at helping others and building your downlines with you. So let me move this thing over so I can share my screen with you. I'm kind of new at this camera thing, so bear with me. Let's see. Make me smaller, get me out the way. There we go. Now, get over here. Here we have HealthyNuLiving's website. I'm going to log in live. This is my account. My internet's not the best, just bear with me please. Here's the home page. Here we have Alonzo Brown, one of our superstars, and Jesse Garcia, another superstar. They are hosting the Zoom meetings that we have. We have 3 Zoom meetings a week. On Tuesdays and Thursdays, the corporate Zoom meeting. On Tuesdays, the one for the United States, and on Thursdays is the one for United Kingdom and other countries. We do service 119 countries around the world. So this is a worldwide business. So not just the United States. You have the whole world to market to and participate. And then on Sundays, we have our Team New Living, which is this here. Team New Living Zoom meetings on Sunday evenings in the United States. And this is where we all come together and collaborate, have trainings, ask any questions we have. This is hosted by Alonzo Brown. This is Team New Living social site that Alonzo created and built. And these are the most recent members who've signed up here. Activity feed over here. Let's see here. This is where you can go and sign up for free and then upgrade. And then you can become a member of Team New Living. You get friends, private message. You can participate in all of these things we have here. Zoom meetings, company webinars, audio and video emails, training, daily pay landing pages, funnel training, the HNL compensation plan, which tells you how you get paid, how you withdraw your money, which is onto a Pay Quicker Visa card. from the company, and you get daily pay. You can withdraw 7 days a week for your daily pay and residual incomes. So that's really nice. Here you are provided with training and landing pages that are created and made by Alonzo, that you can go in and make your own. Everything's made. All you have to do is go in and make it your own, putting in your affiliate links and your name, and then you just promote that. And there's all sorts of free ways that you can do that, which is explained in here. Let's see. Let me go to my page. This is my personal page in Team New Living. See, here I am. This is the company video. Affiliates build a very successful HNL business. HNL is for Healthy New Living, of course. So you can watch this. It's a little training. And then you put in your links over here to Healthy New Living, Pro Downline Systems, which is another website where we help you build your downlines, and Leads Leap, which is where you get all of your pages from to promote. And they also have for you free. You can use it free, Leads Leap. You get email autoresponder and advertising, and all sorts of free things that you get to use to help promote your business. And then you also put in your Facebook here if you want. There's my Facebook there. So of course, I didn't mean to really click that. Let me go back. Okay, back on my profile at Team New Living. Here's my activities feed here. Oh, and also my friends are listed here. And then my comments and things that I shared. Also, you can create groups in Team New Living, which is great. I created the first group in Team New Living called In This Together, because we all work together. See, here's the group that I started right here. And you can go in here and talk with people, whoever you want. It's really nice to have. So you work with other people, get ideas, collaborate, things of that nature. Okay, back to Healthy New Living. And this is they have awesome products, health and wellness products. And we'll go over to the shop and we'll take a look at some of the products. And they're all discounted wholesale prices. And when you join for free, you do get a 20% discount. And when you upgrade for $30, you can get up to 40% discount. And if you order products monthly on a subscription, you get a 33% discount. Here's some of the products we have: anti-aging, anti-wrinkle, anxiety, apple cider vinegar, gummies, colon sweep, elderberry immunity, zinc and vitamin C. Then there's an eye treatment, instant facelift, flex joint or joint flex, which there have been testimonies where taking this product does actually help people's joints feel better, not as stiff and achy in the morning. And a lot of these products are right around the $20 price point. So we have the keto drops, male enhancements, max detox with AC berry, moisturizers, multivitamin gummies for adults, and they also have superfoods. We have the new kiwi strawberry, the new apple cinnamon turnover, new blood sugar, which helps keep your blood sugar in check. And of course, I make no claims of um, medical or income. Uh, these are basically supplements. But new Brain Plus here. And we're just taking a little look at the products. We have the new digestive enzymes, new hair, another joint supplement, new energy, pre-workout lemon, new krill oil, multivitamin for men, new mushroom immune booster, and there's so many products. And like I said, you sign up for free and you can get a 20% discount. And like I'm taking the Oxyburn for weight loss and energy and appetite suppression, which I find does work very well. They've got the vitamin K, D3, which I also take from the grocery store right now. And when I run out of my supply, I will be buying this from the company. It is at a lower price point than what I pay in the grocery store. And also, I'll be getting the monthly subscription here, $15.40 on the monthly subscription. And that is about a third of a savings I'll save monthly. So that's awesome. They have the prostate formula, the omega-3, 6, and 9 gummies, or here's the Oxyburn that I take right here. It's $24.95, but with my 20% discount, I only paid $20. So that was really good. They got the organic beetroot, resveratrol, turmeric, the sleep well gummies, which is another thing that I'll be trying because I have insomnia. So I've tried everything under the sun and nothing's really helped. So I'm going to be trying these sleep well gummies and let y'all know how they work out for me. So yeah, that's just some of the products they have. Right now we've got 40 plus products. They're all made in an FDA approved facility. And let's see, let's go back over here to our website. Now, this is a website, your back office, that you'll get when you sign up. And some of these things will be available, like you can go here and upgrade to an affiliate for $30, where you can start to earn commissions. But see, I've already upgraded, so you can't see where you upgrade because I've already done it. But that's where you would go to do that. And then if you go here to pay plan, it really explains the pay commissions that we get. Unlimited income potential with this. You get, when you upgrade, you will get a 20% commission on anybody that buys anything from you, or anybody that you refer personally, you'll get a 20% commission. Also, if you get 2 people personally referred up under you, you will get a 50% matching bonus. If you get 4 people under you personally referred, you get 100% matching bonus. And I have just achieved that a little over a week ago. Now, I've only been in the company for a month and a half, and I already have 5 paid affiliates. So I'm getting the 100% matching bonus, which is awesome. Oh, yes, also the Fast Start bonus. When you refer someone, they upgrade, you get $15 of the $30 they pay when they first sign up, and the other $15 gets distributed throughout your downline, or throughout the upline, 10 levels deep. So the whole team gets paid. It gives incentive for everybody to keep helping everybody. So the company doesn't get anything off of that. All of the affiliates are the ones getting the money when you have people sign up. So it's pretty awesome. They also provide tools here in the promotional center. They have a newsletter you can sign up for, company videos. Printing is here where you can get your $100 drop cards. They're pretty cool. They look like a $100 bill folded up with your information inside. And you can leave those around for people to find and, call you and sign up. Here are some testimonials down here. So, that is pretty much what I wanted to tell you about Healthy New Living and this home-based business opportunity. So, if you like my video, please hit that like button and hit subscribe and all on the bell icon. So every time I put out a video, you'll get notified. All right. Thank you so much, and we'll see you next time. Bye.